Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'll show you how to test glow plugs on a diesel engine, of course. Our example vehicle is the Passat 3BG, where we'll also be replacing the glow plugs. That procedure is covered in a separate video. This video's focus is specifically on testing the glow plugs. There are three possibilities which you'll see right away. Let's get started. Check whether the glow plugs are defective or not. While they're still installed in the engine, you can test them using a multimeter or an ohmmeter. We remove the connector. The one clamp, the negative clamp, we connect to ground. We can connect that either to the battery or here to the engine ground, wherever it's most convenient for us to get a solid ground connection. So we switch over to the ohmmeter. Select the smallest range, and then we simply go ahead and place the probe right on top of the pin. And we look at what it shows us there, so it has continuity, 0.0908. Completely okay. So the glow plug is good. If it were broken, it would have shown a slightly higher ohm value or would have shown a complete one, meaning there is no continuity. So we press here on top, or rather we hold this against it on top. Because if we, for example, hold it here on the engine, we also have continuity. That's why it's important to hold it on the pin. So the path goes through the winding and then through the glow plug. Because it's screwed in, it has contact with the engine block, and yeah, then it gives us the resistance value. If the windings inside break, then we'll get a much higher value, and that of course would not be okay. So we check it while it's installed in the vehicle to get an accurate and proper reading. So to test the glow plug when it's removed, we take the negative lead, we go and put that on this spot here. And then we hold it right here on the tip. And we can test the glow plug this way. It's important to hold the probe right on the very top, not here. Because here it will automatically have continuity, since that's the housing. Important right on the very front tip here, because then it will go through the winding and reach the thread. So to test a spark plug without using a multimeter, we have the option of just applying a little bit of power to it. I'll grab the negative terminal, negative, and from up here we'll apply positive to it. We will then see how the spark plug gets properly hot at the front. Doesn't match the expected value that the system is programmed to recognize, then the control unit will likely detect it as a fault. This could potentially prevent the engine from starting, or it might even trigger a warning light on the dashboard to alert the driver. Meaning if they're already a bit worn out, or have too high of a resistance value, it already shows that the glow plugs are broken. That means this way you can only check if they're functioning, but not what the actual resistance value is. Like the video? Subscribe and see you next time. Bye.